Okay, yanchao na yamwakwa ba me PMO GH Live Studios, Ghana numere uno. Agudi kwantim pon kwan so na yatena sia yede nsem ne nyina no Asia on tentem so na yatumi akọ yanim ewo kwantim pon kasia ne so no na Ghana Premier League ehun komoda yanim Hearts of Oak and right e become on some tro but then yeah dwell more on the Royal City Club Asante Kotoko Boboko no aso ye yanim pefe se Woman ewo Samreboi kwantempo no so de ya faso asi yenua Emmanuel Menya eho na no besi a o share na dwuma asinti enkomo ewo Samreboi de headquarters no nanaba enekita na odi ni nyina no ebesom ye na ye de ama yenetiefo adofo ewo munti stay glue with us if it in the aircrew nyina no de be free mo aba no ye de besom on tentem so ewo dwumadi so na and then on this episode ye be dwell more ewo na Asante Kotoko training na woman ebeye na omuwie a womatoa so atu na possibly omakakopie mu obia e friend say Samreboi asankra gwa akwan so ne ade na omokọ na omoba na Samatex for no so Emmanuel Mama enei uhwemu Premier League no wa 3 goals in 9 games a ono so avow say one crop ye bi hyiamu de wode be bia ho e de amai but ni nyina mu no esi e kọ na ikodi nkomo na yehwe niema e wa grounds sie e wa Asante Kotoko aso ye NRIDP esomo ye kọ ne akodi nkomo kwekwa na ba ye nchecha wa ne mu akwa ba mepie mo GH Live Studios bibi abokọ de
Chama bibi abokọ bibi so so ye
oh nyame adom Kotoko na na egusu a di de charge say ani na kopie mo Century Sports Arena Samreboi honom na ebetimi host to Samatex any Asante Kotoko da kwasi ada enya ketu akra na say Premier League nso ehun nkomo wo mu Kotoko players prepare ne ade ho nkomo edi ye Awukye ho nkomo wa ha ye bedi Awukye ho nkomo ono ne suspension na say de no uko training aya ho Awukye
me hu Awukye ache me kai the last time man me dey back on say Awukye I recover from injury and our back ne team no training kakra and that one was omo training na mo yakwakobo team and din Kwara United Nigeria na hu Awukye but after that no me hu Awukye ache who which are cheaper training ground because Kotoko Ekwakubo Kwara now train so full line alignment for them. You will say now Elvis Chiba for Awukye back to Kotoko Tinimu and now any team no train of Baho once pet and then who know our honum but after that no me who know our hope and Alako Judges so me who which and so on for me side ne dear who Awukye achakra
also the be out trading no na ohun na trade but no ye de beba brand break on me be say confirm we free ho na ye hu say the so no e betumi akọ ewo mu na ye hu say the ebekọ now ye mon komo na ye nhwe say Kotoko nyame bo na ye sa to training so and then I expect fans no ye hwe ni mu players na prepare last time ye training any day uhu ni say any summary preparation towards Samreboi
Chairman, I think say last season Kotoko Echo Samreboi no na aka players kitwe bi ana Kotoko education omo boy and this season as well the same thing ana happening about the technical team at the Macrobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko anka omo hwe ni mo sen kebi omo players ni bi recovered more about getting back to Kotoko team with training na anɔpɛ yi a me no kasa team no also ɛkɔ training na ɔmo training anɔpɛ yi a yɛn nso yɛde yɛn kyerɛ hɔ no ahwɛ sɛneɛ ɛnɛ Kurɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɔmo training session a ɔmo ɛde akɔhyia FC Samatex 1996 no ɛnneɛma bɛtumi akɔ so yie ɛde ama wɔn yes but sɛ yɛbɛnya players no bi a ɔmo get back from injury say omo team ni mu na omo so team ayi training de ama Kotoko team no na omo so team aboa ama omo game a omo kwa akobɔ nyame nyankopɔn ya adoma Sunday Century Sports Arena no omo team aboa bobi Ediama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But believe in say you be a players be 2 or 3 be from say from 3 going and see a young players from 3 going and say on be join the Kotoko team no ahead of that super game now because it's a just sports arena net yeah chairman you who be bisa because mo share senior players na epra no status na etie how omo pra na etie any how omo air recover na enya all that fast say yebehu say nka Kotoko players na air recover back to your friend say omo normal year ebetimi aboa amomatimi start games the Amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But I no pay the yeah, sure they must say you bring your place be up, but whom you be so on mobile room one that could judge now on my team I train at the Amakotoko. If some cosa the year and the players are Kotoko, I went to see and or more and the Benjamin Messia kind at the Amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ahead of the game or more air Kakobo against summer test 1996. Indeed, champion, I'm paying and a team no air share. My training will be just 1 hour 30 minutes training and ever so or at Dakuja team goes where you prepare my room or honum. None the better film ever training in the Yashe, na yet me that bring for any yet for. But information from Camponon in the good nice say the many players be a bear 3 beer or more get back from injury. Oh, Kotoko, that's what I can say.
Okay, now transfer home sense them the Nikuta a lot of transfer stories about Kotoko. Nyamiani almost transfer team no bejuma behind the scene. Almost
Sure.
komo pa players are almost edi omani asisi almost no say kwa ni mo a ebeboa ebeba transfer ne so pa na Samates about 10 games. You see teams no Dorona about 10 Kotoko ena about 9 and a couple of teams Holy Stars and so about 9. I'm saying about Samates about 10 games. I win 4, I draw 4, and Oma lose 2. Oma share as many as 8 goals, and Oma conceded 7. Into more plus 1 goal, no more 16 points. Oma toss 7. Kotokona on about 9 games. No, I share 5 games. I draw 4. Unyan Lusubi. He is the only club, and I say Kotoko the only club own team tasty defeat. Na Kotoko ya share 11 goals. And I conceded 4. Until your plus of 7 goals you're 19 points. And also you're a toss of 90. The 9th position, the 4th position, any 8th position. And I Koba, Ushimu and Nenema Aircos. General start Kakrabia, Yeleba 2 Johnson, Ushima. This year, Premier League in Ghana League in about 89 games. And 89 games no be much as our boy 89. Okani in Abuma 1, 2, 3, 89. Now Ushima. Home winner teams in Nigeria 50. Away win 12. It means away win Isra. And a draw 27. Goals are teams in Nigeria Oha any education 168. Home goals. Home 20 nano Oha any do 914. And away goals 54. Adunum and 9. First half, see first half goals no your son 77. And a second half goals so your kono 91. Na yellow cards appear Premier League mu Ghana version ayebo no 326 ahasa any adunu ensia red card dumiensa 13 and appear mu penalty ya award Kotoko penalty award ediama Premier League teams ni nyina na adunu baako 21 and squad 19 mu dunkro ne ahye mu mienu and amanfo amexe and own goal and 9 and appear mu ma hu say minia Alfred hat folk for no to Jan and Fahin kosi penalty ejima and dia antese ba obomos penalty awarded a Karela pa no manya penalty yes Karela o manya 4 penalties and a goal stars penalties, yeah. Yes goal stars and so it was me no nya 3 penalties Samates woman so etime 2 penalties Basake Holy Stars nya 2 and Kotoko so nya 2 Lions ni All Blacks ni Vichy ni Chelsea ni Dreams enya 1-1-1 more or less the free mu urban now in Central Sports Arena hono it's poised unim hopa say na ho city a intimidating venue and I say yankasa na Kotoko chita for yenhwe animu what na order
Oh yes, what's about St. Joe Sports Arena? The time of since summer test team, war Division One, and the last time the first time I share summer test game was MTNFA Cup, and normally Heart of Hook Airbo, in St. Joe Sports Arena. Na a penalties, summer test winning against summer test. Sorry. Moving against Heart of Folk na any GSM Edima Wasa any Nimpotempa. And a whole a place be a Okoha Senior and some trophy a Juma and so ACT any how away supporters Ekoha or more etimi enjoy no a place be a was a Okohonoma yen just bio more yen tete or yen how be and so because Osha team Nimua ọmụ ndidi team no bebree dodoɔ na ɛyɛ nkurɔfoɔ a wɔasua adeɛ nso afiri Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko wohwɛ Edmond Aka a ɔno wadi kan yɛ adwuma de ama Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko a n'adwuma nso ani paa wobɛnya aborɔ no market akyi mensa a ɔno ɛyɛ communications anaasɛ PRO ɛde ɛma team no wobɛnya ka akyire badu a ɔno nso ɛyɛ communications director de ma wɔn and wohwɛ wɔn side no wɔn nyinaa yɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ about the other side now, Omuya and Kofubio, Omote football no, I see already. And our the team no as we realm, our Ghana Premier League, almost second season, Omutimia the Premier League, and so all honum, and Omugusu or more air Jumason at the Emma or my Conquer Ghana because a Juma or more air, I know what she power. And Oba Ghana has a whole air the only, I can say a sports stadium, Omudi in the because of timber and plywood that I'm paying for a young word human into be beer a nuya and I'm there word human and so baby a way to be frank some now way to the pa but a home in the panel and I said nipa or more honor ete near more air since in your places beer if you have alcohol to say a special cup name and pattern baby any venues and say dear and society eba or a football mama and your mark from the first ban and go cup a bruno man pa match be pound do one one son with the Wabano. And yes, sir, and I host it here. Even last season, Crampono, you confirm what Takwa Kotoko Mediama, you confirm what Takwa, but Kotoko Samates, it was a smooth place. I you can enjoy good football as well, and they expect the same thing. Say Yankopo Yadma Santi, Ebekoso as well. And your place be a Oka or what you be Belisa.
Call Brekum first, and I'm running commentary. Me called Yamis me boasin so first young koye juma or boasi. And I make a commentary or me quite more the my crew money, but me koye commentary that time I assume I me quite commentary boasino. Me baby and me sure back or boasi domani Brekum. Na just an enya for the agrocra. Titwa dear na Caladam Park and ananiko, a home call back na enya ketua. Inti yetefo enye rest assure say oh as a Samreboi based person na wo de woni mo kakra wat na wache ansa na wo bakuma say abeto adwuma so no omunye bia omu intimidate fans no harass be brace
Debbie. Now, one thing I want to say, Okohona, paying for Kotoko to say, oh, Piero Abronima, Obama, what I say, when you pana o Halono, Osubeko de Fee. Osubeko de Fee, some point me and Nechi, that's one qua. Who could drew the Honoma, a yet day out players, Beko. See, Mekai last season, Kotoko Samates, Obuase, issues kakra see Emma, even Samates for crampo, or more team bars, a boot to a boor, a boom, but after set, Sunday, anybody in there see ya, Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko Echo, Yanti did Yanti Bia, say Ebia, also supporters, no, as well, Tramu, we be BDT Kotoko. Say, Kotoko, omo eba oboase no Kotoko no boy and some supporters bia no more oboase ho because of player bia coach no use in that game and the Kokoso and SMP ewo oboase Linkley Sports to the Michael Kokoso sadie no but Kotoko calling in echi no bibi boni bia so antimi esi wo honom ti ama as a always bi okobia empayinfo wo honom omo gusu ama directives to security for mo ho eba ho a place bi a okohonom a team na wo omo a omo guide stadium no omo agejanye say bi a police for amakofo omo say bi omo man bi ye but omo body guys wo honom because of omo timber work na omo eye no say adwumayfo na so timi ba stadium ebe hwese de be ya enyema boni bia eno so enkoso wo honom ti ni nyina mu no omo ne omo di nkomo kom befa so pa omo begu so asem nye wo pɛ ne nye wo mpɛ sɛ wokɔ baabi na sɛ ni kwan so kɔfa hɔ nom a ɛkɔm bɛfa so mu no bɛdi nkɔmmɛ kai Kotoko Samatex ɛne Accra Lions ɔmo ɛgye Ghana Premier League no ɛkɔ ɛde wa ɔmo ne yɛ communicate yɛ ne ade nyinaa no was nice ɛyɛ a yɛkɔ experience yɛ nso wɔ hɔ no and yɛhwɛ sɛ saa ɛnso bɛtumi akɔ nyankopɔn yɛ adoma Sunday ɛwɔ Century Sports Arena sɛ bɛyɛ a mkofa ade gidigidi bia ye nim say atete issues bebre last season but ye nyanya bibia free Samreboi say bia Samreboi venue a team we call hon man as team we call hon no say na supporters no de koye nyanya bibia sa from last 2 seasons di wurema di about this season na ye nyanya team bibia sa di ye nim say ye kono yɛde asundue kɔ yɛ san so asundue san so bɛba back to
lastly on Samreboi no me pese matifo ehu Samreboi bia yɛ kɔ bia yi now wohwɛ Samreboi crew na ɛyɛ kura Kotoko ne Heartful kwan pa na fans wɔ hɔ
Samreboi deɛ boss ma me fanto wɔ nim sɛ anka ɛyɛ Kotoko fie ba akɔnso no me kai say yɛkɔ last season yɛkɔ baabi ni na Chema Alex mo ne Patrick Adusai mo ne yɛdi nkɔmɔ sɛ na wohwɛ baabi ni Gold Stars team ni mu a even ɔmo colors no bi akyerɛ sɛ Kotoko dia ɛkɔduru hɔ no bi hu Kotoko supporters pa ɛwɔ hɔ no oba Western region a place a Kotoko ɛwɔ supporters pa because badi Kotoko team n'akyi akɔ your friend is saying takwa badi Kotoko team n'akyi akɔ baabi ni nyina ha Western region many of akɔ Samreboi ni nyina ha Western region and ohwɛ the kind of supporter Kotoko team no ɛwɔ hɔnom na ɛkyerɛ sɛ Western region na ɛyɛ place a club yɛ Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters wɔ hɔ paa ura Asankegua bɔdeɛ inchi ura ekuro bi te sɛ wasa kropɔn wasa dunkwao ɛhɔ ne nyinaa yɛ place a supporters a ɔmo hɔ no ɔmo de ɔmo support ma Kotoko yie paa ɛnyɛ baabi a ɔbɛkɔ duru hɔ wote Heartful nkɔmɔ bebree wɔ hɔ because sɛ na nka wote Heartful nkɔmɔ bebree wɔ hɔ ɛbra na Samatex ɛmba Premier League na oyi Heartful ɛdina free MTN Africa mu no nka ba kɔ yi wɔ Japan ɛwɔ hɔ nka bɛ difficult because te sɛ Kotoko akɔ hɔ na wakɔ lose game no obi anya na hwɛ deɛ but supporters na mo hɔ no no ɔmo ma team no ɛmfa ɔmo ho ni saa ɛnyɛ bro but ebia dede bi ɔbɛyɛ deɛ wu team no so no ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ɔdɔ ɛnso de ma team no wɔ hɔ no and the last time akɔ bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko kɔ hɔ no the war supporters ewura mu ɛwɔ Century Sports Arena ɛkɔhwɛ game no na ɛyɛ nika paa nti wura hɔ ne deɛ a supporter dodoɔ no wɔma Kotoko ɛne Heartful no Kotoko deɛ no ɛwɔ so yie paa matena hɔ na mahu how a ɛhɔ support for Kotoko and then Heartful no ɛnso esitie
right yɛnhwɛ transfer no yɛbɛhyɛ da yɛ ho episode but yɛmbɔ so quick one sisi a deɛ no a yɛkan bi fa Samba ho a Samba it's more likely say January Kotoko beton no sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ Kotoko benya sika ɔmo ntwɛn ɛma ne contract ni nyinaa lapse sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ ɔbɛkɔ free nti no so far the nim yedi ho nkomo yi it's likely say Kotoko January Samba beko but a player or reliable center back ebeba ba sha nine believe me there a woman mahu eno no obetimi free Nations FC e aba no ye nkomo amatie kakra efa ho and then omo try say Patrick Asiedu and Lord Amwa nso ebe renew omo contract. Lord Amwa offer kese bi aba efa no ho, but team no atia say at the end of the season na ebia omo ebe jai and I say team na open no ebeba ho game. But sika 70 ade there it's subject to be increase. And say Lord ba obo esombo. But the guy is willing to renew his contract. Only Patrick Asiedu nyina. And then players be on modern more cost on Kotoko assessing na umpu aka 2 years kra o ma renew e de ama mo mpese the ability to samba issue ni ade ade e bi be say CBM now family am won so there na what
Jai, Osho Kotoko ni mo it's about yesterday season, you didn't come akra. It's about 6 to 7 players are on contract every at the end of the season. And you been able to remove more pa na yet the home or contract in the winner to me edma. Now Osho somebody na send me and Komono ACATM about Koloko supporters leader. No, chairman Solomon of Usuari. And share any more say what I took to campaign for him. Say, could a campaign for them. The one took almost supporters. Then him say, and a samba nisika na or pedo. Ombenya diamano. And he said, 3 million, 3,000, say 4,000, say 5,000, say 6,000, say 2,500. And Kotoko team no ebenya edema samba onyela omo de omo ne samba nkasa ti se omo ne samba kasa na samba kasa obeji ebia 5 million na 5 million na obeji no Kotoko team no betimi atu ebia 25 say 2.5 and I say bia 3 million na de beka no omo supporters no so person mo hwe se ne beka no betimi aye ho adwumade asoso de ma Kotoko ti eba chairman Solomon Ofosuware and though onyam yi ni paying for beka ho amana ye adwuma ne de but supporters in paying for bi omo so Kotoko team ni mu enso ehwe se obetimi contribute sika na oni aka sika Kotoko be wo ho na kasamba oni o ka team ni mu because nye compare supporters ni ejidi nyina ne se team no beji league this season na omako Champions League. It also munya experienced player like Sama O'Neil. Our Kotoko team no when the omako Confederations Cup. Na ko won stay with the team. Na all with the team next season. Africa competition mo. It in paying for so send him and subit me akosa. But in the middle of one and so you're okay with because if you also share the other side say e dey ntina Kotoko team no so entiase na omo extend this samba with no contract in maybe a 1 year crampo so that put more pressure on them no munya abotren campaign bi na commanding from next year July any come start here the amount boy now request no ebi as time crampo no na omunya team bi a oba fa samba with no enso edna ko but ni nyina no paying for ehwe senka samba with no ebetimi stay but se samba with no and stay there so the kind two Janano, a painful busua, almost airshim about 2-3 players and what local players. Nations FC, different day, Ekanwa, almost 80 home combo and 10 commodity busua, and also air question because in the kind of a loose player without replacing him, and so our team name. So, and Peter Amidua can come on a day, baby, I could do. Kotoko team na di nkɔmɔ but aka the final meeting na mpanyinfoɔ ɛhwɛ sɛ ɔmbɛtumi na aberanteɛ no nso watumi ayɛ na wa finalize everything sɛ meekɔ stay ɔmfa ne mpɔ manya krampo na ɛyɛ sɛ because at the end of the season no akwada no nso contract ɛnso ɛbɛyɛ ɛnde ɛwɔ team ne mu Mohammed Kamara contract bɛ ɛnde at the end of the season because also signed 2 years contract. Also, you know, teams in the Biaba who yepa, especially team from South Africa, and then a team from Morocco, and a team from Libya. And so I say, Ometimi I taught a branch and the Mohamed Kamara because the stature, the performance of Kotoko, and they were what dying in your paddy. Oh, Kotoko team, and Domoshe. But Kotoko team no Gusua also convince because the last 2-3 games are Kotoko boy. Now Mohamed Kamara in the corner. Kotoko paying for any NG the performance of Aziz Dari Haruna Huyepa because I'm going to say with him more time with a club. I was supposed to see more. And so when I was there, Kotoko team no play goalkeeper Bia and obeying first choice. Now on second choice. And Mohamed Kamara is also available in paying for Gusua. Omuno ADM come up on you know. Omo air train for final decision. Omo train say goalkeeper the Mohamed Kamara will come from national duties. Now Oberema almost net atnasi. Now the decision on also one making no. Omo will send the ebeko. Joseph Ablon's contract be ended. But Joseph Ablon the end there and you're likely say Akodana Nasa Brantian about extending the contract no. Edi amakro bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko but ni nyina emu no Kotoko egusu a omo hwehwe so mbenya center back ba ko bi aba be ka team no ho na aboa ama akire ho enso atimi akoye because yabe hu Zakaria Fuseni and then Francis Akwa games are omo eboye na enye game a no ohibia but empeyfo ehwese some ba be kwa so player eneko eni be hye team ni mu ana omo eni because eba football ne dia enye mano nkomo but pepa nkomo bibia timisi enso Joseph Ablo enso aside and then we know say in team menu baba ayamo a omo nyina enso contract ebewu at the end of the season in paying focus almost edi nkomo so the ya emranti no bituma extend omo contract edi amakro bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye de namani but be from deep and no another episode that ebe hu adwuma edi amakro bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko and so supporters now this year focus ni nyina Kotoko Samates Kotoko Basike Holy Stars and Kotoko Mediema.
Whenever you better ask, I think you didn't come off. You who Samreboi.
Sure.
Study who city. Were intimidating or not intimidating. What church remember you? Kotoko training there. Yes, I will bread and your muscle, but more than na every more na de be free more babiano. Made him say Obama uni about so monitor Samreboi. No, I abu mama a combo. Na ya J Samreboi a training and a Kotoko training. Eddie boom na. Thank you so much for your precious time Odiama and for live on GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno.
Most players as a par, but they were catcher supporters. They say Yaba, you go so air tumanti over that video no. Mushere ya na was watch area to WhatsApp platform. This one so that share that to Facebook na others and so timi bi na almost what I want to say content in the ya. Near Senate Fatankwa, and yadi etu agency. On Yenesa, na anima enquire after training a room. I was Samreboi na Yakuste once and Kiguana and from Saturday, Sunday, the room was Samreboi. Na debate film or Samreboi, preparation and supporters na ye at the era game in the Winano. Ya Wajuma and the Unim say, and yet danger a radia Juma after Samreboi. The repair sounds will remove Zema before they make back to Kumasi. Na bibia so atimi akama dia fa Kotoko ho de ni nyina ewo GH Live Studio jo mo subscribe wo mo share wo mo like na mo foma dwenkyere fa to ase nya didi atem but wa dwenkyere fa to ase kama na bibia enso ntumi enko nani
Asankra go to Samreboi mu a minim fa
Asankra go to Samreboi will be just 25 minutes drive. Enye gidigidi bia, enye gidigidi. Senka ekwan ye krampuna anka ko talent senka dasu pru anka bia just 20 roads on Sunday enye busy road because from there to Aboy junction no when you na because from Asenka go straight to NJ is quote out one, but would you avoid